In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your video camera and video settings in Zoom on both desktop and mobile, so you look and appear the way you want in your meetings. Let's start by focusing on the desktop version, which works across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. First things first, open up your Zoom desktop app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're all set with that, direct your attention to the top right corner of the app where you'll spot your profile picture or initials. Give that a click, and from the menu that drops down, select Settings. Now when the Settings panel appears, navigate over to the Video and Effects tab, or it might just be labeled as Video, depending on your Zoom version. Here's where you have some control over your video setup. Under the camera section, there's a handy drop-down menu for you to choose which camera device you want Zoom to use. This could be your built-in laptop camera, or perhaps an external USB camera you've connected. With the basic setup done, let's get into customizing your video settings. First, you might see an option to Enable HD, which stands for High Definition. Turning this on can significantly improve the clarity of your video feed, but just keep in mind it does consume more bandwidth. Then there's the option to Mirror My Video, which flips your image horizontally. This can be helpful when you're showing something to others in the meeting because it simulates how you view yourself in the mirror. If you're not blessed with perfect lighting, Adjust for Low Light could be your new best friend, as this option helps to brighten you up when the illumination is less than ideal. On the topic of looking good, the Touch Up My Appearance feature adds a subtle softening effect, smoothing out the video image, which can be quite flattering. And lastly, if you prefer to start your meetings off-camera, the Turn Off My Video when joining a meeting option ensures you join with your video off until you decide otherwise. Now let's say you're already in a meeting and realize you want to switch cameras or tweak those settings. It's easy. In the meeting window, direct your attention to the video icon, which says Start or Stop Video. There's a little up arrow right next to it. Click that arrow, and from the drop-down menu, select Video Settings. This will take you right to the settings menu you know now, so you can make any necessary changes on the fly without leaving your meeting. And that wraps it up for the desktop version. With all these tips, you're perfectly equipped to adjust your video to your liking and ensure you present yourself the best way possible in your Zoom meetings.